Today we're going to be replacing an ugly flushing lever on the toilet. And then after that, the only other ugly thing to replace in the bathroom is this silver toilet paper holder. And then the bathroom will be completely de-uglified. We have a new one here from the Everbuilt brand, which is polished brass, so it'll match the sink. I don't normally replace things that aren't broken, and I certainly hope I don't come to regret messing with this, because it's not broken at the moment, and it very well might be broken in a few minutes. I can do some plumbing, but it is certainly not my area of expertise. And this generally works pretty reliably. I have had only one issue with it thus far, which was the float switch would not move down. The float would not move down to trigger the tank to be refilled. And so I put a drop of oil on the tube inside there that it moves on, and that has fixed it for well over a year now. So that's good. So I think that this should go on there just fine, but we have to figure out how this one comes off. Maybe I have to get a wrench. I got a wrench. It's probably not large enough. No, it just barely is. Alright, if we get that started. Okay, that seems to be easy enough to deal with. Let's unclip this. Stick that in there for the moment. Okay, so that's been removed. And of course we won't cancel this one out in case we need it again. It's always good to have as a backup, I guess. This looks like it's been cross-threaded. I guess not. But come on. There we go. Okay, that is attached. And I think it's working properly. Well, that has to go up pretty high. I wonder if that's going to be a problem. Well, I guess there's one way to find out. That's pretty easy. And that would be to just put it back in place and see if that is a problem. No, I think it's fine. Okay, so that's been replaced. Now I just got to get another toilet paper holder that's not stinking silver. I don't like silver interior design.